Good morning. Today is Thursday, June 22nd, 2023. I am here at Marsh Landing Marina, and this is a before video of Silver Lining. This boat's also going to have a name change, so we'll update our info once that name change does occur. I'm also going to make a quick note. I see that there's a bunch of straps on the swim platform here, the hydraulic swim platform. So I'm just going to make a note not to use that as a way of exit. But let's go ahead and see how it is before we clean her up. Alright, so the boat looks pretty hairy, a lot of growth all around. Most growth is going to be on the running gear and whatnot, but we'll go ahead and clean it up, and I'll get some updates going on, and we'll get a second video after we're done.